Hello everyone, this is Chadi Alraies from New York EVS. I'm really privileged to be with Dr. Leslie Munoz, who's coming from Mexico, who's a vascular surgery resident there. Leslie, thanks for being with us.
Hi, thank you for inviting.
Yeah. So how do you see this conference or symposium help you shape your career?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for residents or fellows from all over the world to come and see what is being done recently and the new things that come out for our specialties. I know there's a lot of cardiovascular interventionists and radiology interventionists here, but also vascular surgeons here and everywhere in the world use endovascular surgery and vascular surgery techniques, which is one of the things that I really like about this conference, that we're not only seeing what is being done endovascularly wise, I guess, yeah, but also there's a lot of surgeons, vascular surgeons here, who also apply open techniques, and they mix that, and that's something really cool.
Absolutely. In terms of how do you see this is a conference in terms of the symposium or the hands-on session or the cadaver kind of help with your education and training?
Well, over there in Mexico, we do a lot of open surgery. So, but sometimes when you're during your training years, you can't always be hands-on all the time. So we sometimes just watch surgeries and procedures. And when you come here, you have access to do all of those things that you've seen for a long time, and try to apply it in a safe environment for residents.
Absolutely, yeah. So this is the first time coming to EVS?
This is my second year.
Okay,
yeah,
so that's good. That means you liked it and helped you.
Yes,
You're coming back?
I actually told a lot of my co-fellows or co-residents to take the opportunity to come. Some of them couldn't be here today, some of them are with me again. Yeah. And I think everybody really, really likes it because of the experience, I guess, being in New York, being able to see all of this new technology that's available now for our specialty. And I think everyone's pretty satisfied.
Yeah, it looks it's working, because so far I met at least 4 or 5 from Mexico.
Yeah, I think we're kind of like the play. We're becoming more and more every year.
I like that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for inviting them and promoting it, and thanks for coming here.
No, thank you.
Watch these videos and others on the YouTube channel. This is Chadi Alraies coming to you from New York EVS 2024. Leslie, thanks for being with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.